How to make my installment payment? Check the 22-carat gold rate top left side. Available number of gold schemes as the same registered user account. Check the installment amount. Verify scheme member ID and name. Proceed to Pay Online. On the new window, review the previous details. Total paid terms as of now. Total paid amount as of now. Total accumulated gold as of now. Current installment number. If proceed to pay now, you are eligible to accumulate gold weight. And click to add to the cart. You will get the pop-up window. Click OK. Preview the card details. Click to make payment now. Redirected to our secure and safe payment partner, HDFC Bank, named with the company name, PJ. Proceed to pay with the available payment mode, UPI, GPay, PhonePe, and net banking. Thank you for watching.